Scott from Top Coat here with just a quick little video. At Top Coat we do a lot of overhead door, garage door restoration and maintenance. And if you or your customers have overhead doors that are getting a little loud and clunky when they're open and closed, here's a quick way to get those fixed up. So here's how this door is sounding when it's open and closed. Here's another example of the sound that overhead doors make when they're ready for a little bit of maintenance. So I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm really impressed with this 3-in-1 garage door lube. I recommend using it on all the moving parts on the door. Give it everything a good wipe down and a good shot with it. Any of the opening brackets, any pivot points, the rails, everything that's a moving part on the door benefits from a little coating of this. And I want you to be able to hear how they sound now compared to how they sounded before.